If you are looking for a great set of luggage, a big bag, a medium bag, and a small bag, you are absolutely going to love these. Let's check them out. I was just gifted this light flight luggage. I wanted to show you exactly what it looks like. We'll be using it this weekend. I'm going to give it an honest review. This is how it came packaged. Came in this box right here. Came with a little padding as well. Really, really nicely packaged. It has the plastic so nothing got damaged at all. I'm going to guess all the other pieces are inside this large one, which I really, really like. So I'm going to get this open. We're going to use it and I'll give you my review. All right, so this is what they look like. A couple of things here. So this is going to be the 20-inch. This is the 24-inch, and this is the 28-inch. A couple of things I like right off the bat. We're going to go with this one right here. So I like the fact that you have the handle right up here, and then you also have another handle right here. You have the ability to set a little code here if you want to do that, so you keep it shut. And then you also have the option right over here to just take this and wheel it around. It goes this way or it can go this way, so you don't have to have it just one way, which is really, really nice. And I really like that part about them. I like options. I like being able to pick it up here. I like being able to pick it up right here, or if I want to just wheel it or just carry it, I could do that as well. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, this is what the inside looks like. Really, really nice. These are expandable as well. So right down here, we have a place where you could put your clothes. You could also buckle them in, and this expands really, really nice, which is nice. We have a bag right here, perfect for toiletry stuff or just little stuff that you don't want to have to put in here. And then up here, we have a whole section in there for clothes. And then we have this zipper pouch right up here. Great for like socks, underwear, dress socks, whatever, that kind of stuff. So I like the fact that you have this bottom right here. You have this entire top right here. And then you have this pouch right here and the pouch right there as well. You got a nice hard shell here, which is nice as well. So if you're looking for some great luggage, really, really recommend these a lot. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.